Hi, my name is Sandra and this is Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips. Today I have a super fun scarf activity that's going to go with 5 little pumpkins. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step and show you how to teach this to your children. First, we're going to give everybody a scarf. And I like to have the children just move freely to the music. So that's what we're going to do first. First, we will just give them a scarf. We might talk about personal space. Make sure you keep your scarf in your personal space. Or you can do a circle around and help them imagine or define their space. Or if you have dots or something on the floor for them to stand on, that will work too. 5 little pumpkins, 5 little pumpkins, sitting on a gate, sitting on a gate.
The first one said,
After the children have waved their scarves around and listened to the song and got the beat and feeling the mood of the music, we're going to take our scarves and we're going to bounce them on the beat. So we'll just have them lightly bounce, and for this I usually have them sit down. They're taking a little break because we're going to do some more movement in just a minute. So we'll go through the song and just 5 little pumpkins bouncing on the beat. And the nice thing about having an audio recording is then you can walk around the room and maybe gently tap their shoulders to help them feel the beat, or just stand in front of them and demonstrate without saying anything. Just let them get the feeling of showing the beat with the scarf as they're listening to the music. Now the next part, you can decide how you want to go with this. If you really want the children to learn the exact words, then you're going to want to take some time to echo chant and then echo sing the lyrics back and forth to them so that they can sing the song while they're moving. If you just want to use this as a scarf activity, then you don't need to do that, because you can just show them the patterns that are going to go with each of the phrases in the song. So the very first phrase is 5 little pumpkins, and we're going to do 4 beats on that phrase. 5 little pumpkins, and we're going to just swirl our scarf 4 times. And then for sitting on a gate, we're going to go back and forth. We're changing the actions for each of the lines because we want the children to move in cross-directional, up and down and around movements. So the next one is going to be sitting on a gate. Just 4 times because there's 4 beats in that line. Then we're going to go up and down. The first one said, and we have to sneak in the word "oh" at the end of that line. And then we're going to go crisscross. My, it's getting late. The second one said is going to be wiggling down. The second one said there's, and then we're going to go above, witches in the air 4 times. The third one said, and then with attitude, we don't care. And then the fourth one said is just on the beat. The fourth one said, let's run and run and run. The fifth one said, let's have some fun. Now we're not going to play on the beat. We're just going to do some movements that more express the words and the feeling of the music. Whoosh went the wind, out went the lights, and the 5 little pumpkins. And then we're going to roll 5 times because there's 4 beats, but we're going to sneak in 5 movements. Rolled out of sight. So it's kind of ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So we do it 5 times. So you can go through each of those lines much slower with the children and have them practice them with the words. And then you can try it with the music. The music track I'm using is my music track, Sing, Play, Create. You can find it on Spotify, Amazon Music, iTunes, Apple Music, all your favorite music channels, YouTube Music. And it is a call and response. So each line is actually sang 2 times. So each line that I just showed you, I showed 4 beats. They're actually going to repeat it for 8 times. If you're going to use this music track, then you'll want to teach them to double the amount of time. So you repeat each line as you're teaching it. If you're just going to say the chant with them and say it nice and slowly, like 5 little pumpkins, then you just play it the way that I showed you in the demonstration.
Ooh.
Here's how it sounds with the music.
5 little pumpkins,
5 little pumpkins,
sitting on a gate.
sitting on a gate.
The first one said,
The first one said,
"Oh my, it's getting late."
"Oh my, it's getting late."
The second one said,
The second one said,
"There's witches in the air."
"There's witches in the air."
The third one said,
The third one said,
"We don't care."
"We don't care."
The fourth one said,
The fourth one said,
"Let's run and run and run."
"Let's run and run and run."
The fifth one said,
The fifth one said,
"Let's have some fun."
"Let's have some fun."
Whoosh went the wind,
Push with the wind,
and out went the lights,
and down with the lights.
and the 5 little pumpkins
5 little pumpkins
rolled out of sight.
rolled out of sight.
As you can see with the music, it moves right along, so that may be an activity that you want to use with more second and third graders. They would like the call and response. With the younger children, I probably would just keep this to a chant and have them move as I'm saying the chant. And then if you do this over a couple of class times or a couple of days, they're going to learn the chant, and then you can help them learn the chant and move their scarf at the same time. I'd love to hear how this activity works for you. I hope you'll drop a comment below and let me know how your Halloween month of music and movement activities are going. If you like this video, please subscribe. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.